Hey guys, I just came back from Sephora. The damage has been done. I of course got more things than I anticipated, but also I didn't get some things because they just didn't have it at the Sephora that I went to. So I will be making a small little order online. But without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I grabbed is the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Original Palette. So excited. You know, I appreciated my Sephora for being ready for everybody that was going in for the sale. There were so many people in there already. And they had so much in stock. Also, yes, I lost my microphone already. If you know me, that's not a surprise. I misplaced things, but it was the wrong one anyway. It only connected to my laptop, so I had to order a new one for my phone, so that should be coming in shortly. But anyway, look at this beautiful range of colors. Oh my gosh, this is kind of all you would need. If I had to get rid of all my other palettes, I would keep this one and my ColourPop all matte palette that my sister had gotten me. That one's really beautiful as well, but literally has everything you need in here. And I'm so excited to use that. I'm not gonna swatch it for you guys. Sorry if you wanted me to swatch it, but I'm not gonna swatch it. I feel like there's so many videos because it's been out for so long of the colors. As I said, also I got the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Overnight Eye Serum Mask. I was gonna get this regardless because I needed to restock, and I'm happy it was in time for the sale. If you haven't tried this and you have dry skin, definitely try it. I think you would really love it. Also got the Beauty by Josiane sunscreen that was on my wish list, and I was thinking about getting that little mini set. They had like a little mini set with a moisturizer and this mini sunscreen with a milky rice toner. I already have a moisturizer and I don't really use toners. I'm a little scared to try new stuff because my skin can be so unpredictable. But let's see what this is giving. It said glows hard in the description. Isn't that funny? Glows hard. I mean, it feels really nice and moisturizing, and it's soaking into my skin nicely. But yeah, you don't really see any white cast, and the glow is glowing. You might not see it right now without the mic. Oh my gosh, you guys, that mic helps so much. You can hear so much more noise right now. My apologies, but I love filming outside. It's so much better, and it feels so nice. Oh, I'm over here getting ahead of myself. Get back in there. All right, you know what? No, we're gonna start with my wish list items that I did purchase. I got the True to Myself Rare Beauty Foundation in the shade 19. It's called 19 Light Medium Warm. It looks like somebody opened this. I didn't pay attention. But it doesn't look used, so that's nice. And this one looks like it was close to my skin tone right now. Actually, I don't know. A lot came out in that little squirt. I actually don't know. I don't know if I got the right shade match. I was also on, oh my gosh, I can never talk. I was also on a time crunch, but this is the color. We'll see. I'm gonna play with it, but my sister always makes fun of me because she's like, you match it to your arms. And sometimes I do. Okay, let me live my life. I did grab the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in 5.5. I was actually talking to one of Sephora's beauty advisors, and I asked him, I said, do you think it's worth it? And he said no, that he hasn't seen people have good reviews on it. And I'm like, I'm just gonna go, you know, feel it on my hand or whatever. And honestly, you guys, it was the swatch that sold me. Giorgio Armani does the shade range so well. Oh, sorry. This is in shade 5.5. I'm beginning to think I should have paid more attention because the lighting in Sephora, you know, could be a little too dim. But it does blend out pretty nicely. I feel like that shade looks pretty nice. If this does not work, I'm returning this. Okay, the next thing I purchased, I was influenced by the same Sephora beauty advisor that was helping me. I didn't get his name. He was so nice though. And it's the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. He said this helps really well for scarring and skin texture, and this had like a little mini size to try. So I thought I would try it out. Yeah, I'm almost done because I didn't get a lot of things. Well, I got a lot of things, but I didn't get a ton of things that were actually on my wish list, I feel like. I went to the Rhode section because I really wanted to pick up another pocket blush in Piggy. It's like a neutral pink, but they didn't have any in stock. And so I picked up this peptide lip shape in Twist, and I've been very curious to try these. They're just supposed to be like a softer lip liner. I'm sure you guys have seen them before. It's just this little dome lip. It's very emollient. Feels nice. This is the shade. I think the shade's really pretty. Very nice for every day when I just want to wear a concealer and mascara and a little bit of liner. I thought that would be nice. Okay, we're coming to the end. I was so excited because they were sold out online forever. My bag. Okay, as I was saying, these were sold out forever, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury powder blush duos, and I got them in both the colors because they were in stock, you guys, and I kind of didn't have a lot of time to think about it, and I'm like, I want them both. When I swatched them, they're so pretty. If I had to pick one though, and I think I would have just picked up the Flawless Rosewood shade. This is the one that has that peachier blush, but the pink one looks so pretty too. Isn't it so cute? This is so cute. Come on, this just makes you want to use it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna hold the mirror so there's no reflecting. But look at how cute. This is the pink one. And the setting shade looks really light. I have tried Charlotte Tilbury's setting powder formula before, and I loved it, and I used it for a long time. Sometimes you stop using good products because all the new stuff that comes out, and then you realize, like, why did I stop using them? But this is the pink swatched, so pretty. Alright, so this is the last item that I picked up in store, and this is the peachy one I was telling you guys in Flawless Rosewood. Oh, the heart's a different color. That's nice, so you know which one's which from the outside. You guys, it's chilly. It's getting chilly. The blush looks really pretty on this one. It's like a peachy mauve-y shade. This is really pretty. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And it's so cute. You would think it's a lot darker, but it's not. Because it's swatched right here. And the blush there. Compared to the pink one. But I was so excited to get my hands on these, you guys. I had been waiting for these to come back in stock since she did that limited edition release. I think it was in February. And they sold out so fast. But that concludes everything I got in store. I am going to place an online order for the other things I didn't get. Like that Edam lip balm or lip gloss treatment exfoliator thing. Sorry, I can't remember the name exactly. I'll put a picture up. They didn't have the shade I wanted. And then I'm also ordering that L'Occitane duo, the shower oil and the moisturizer, that was also on my wish list. And wait a second, I didn't show you guys this. I picked this up. This is Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. And I used to use this all the time too. I don't know why. I'm revisiting old products that I forgot why I stopped using them. I love this setting spray. It melts your makeup. And it smells so good. It just, every time I smell this, it takes me back to a certain time period of my life. This one actually brings a little bit of moisture back to my skin, and it gives my makeup that like natural glow that I really try to aim for. I'm also going to order the Summer Fridays Jet Lag mask because I used to use that all the time, and it's right by Glow Recipe, the way it's set up in my Sephora. And I'm like, why did I stop using that? But I'm kind of revisiting all the old things that I forgot that I loved. So I'm really excited about that. Didn't pick up any perfumes. I did get my nose on the Milk Orchid scent, and I didn't really smell it on my skin. I smelled it slightly. It's a very warm fragrance, but the floral, that orchid, is so light, and I didn't really like it the way that it smelled on me anyway. When I sprayed it on the tester, I didn't smell it at all. I did try Dead Cool's Mineral Milk. That one was cool. It was different. It reminds me of Salt Air by Skylar, if you guys are familiar with that one. And I had like a little vial of the Salt Air and I used it all up. I actually enjoyed it. And I thought about picking it up, but I didn't love it enough to pick it up. Maybe during the summer when I want something a little bit more fresh. But yeah, I did also get my nose on the Fugazi fragrances. I smelled a couple, because like I said, I was in a rush. That mango one smells like Vicks. Like, the scents were very interesting. That one smelled like Vicks and like a hint of mango, like a mango scented Vicks vapor rub. Which other one did I smell? I smelled Warm Air. That one just smelled like a musky, airy scent. Warm Air by Fugazi smells like when your air conditioner isn't heating up fast enough in your car, and it's just that warm air. Duh. That's what it smells like. And which other one did I smell? I couldn't really smell Angel Dust. I don't know if it's because I had already smelled so many scents. Vanilla Haze was out, so I didn't get to smell that one. But I did spray Candy Dust on my skin. That's the one I was most interested in. And I did like it initially. When I got to my car, it smelled more like milky, but it could have been a blend of the other fragrances. I truly don't know. My nose was a little out of whack at that time. But for the most part, I really did enjoy Candy Dust. It kind of smells like a sweet air spun cotton candy, but very sheer and skin-like. Like, it's like a skin scent, so it lays super close to the skin. It's not going to project, and I really did enjoy it. But they didn't have a travel size, so I didn't want to commit to the full one. Oh, I also smelled Skylar's Pomegranate Princess. You guys, it smells so good. I really didn't think I was going to like it. I thought it was going to be too sickly sweet, but it was really enjoyable. It smells identical to those, what do they call it? Those strawberry and cream hard candies. I don't know if you guys had ever had them before, but I used to get them all the time at Walmart with my sister when I was little. I'll put a picture up. They were so delicious, and that's what it smells like. I didn't get pomegranate from it at all. I didn't smell any pomegranate, which I was so excited because I love pomegranates, you guys. I love pomegranate seeds. I also smelled Carolina Herrera's La Bomba perfume. I love the bottle. The bottle is so pretty. And it's a very like tropical, fruity, floral scent. That one would be really pretty in the summer as well. That's it for this haul. Let me know what you guys are going to pick up down in the comments. I would love to know. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching as always. And I hope you beautiful people have a beautiful day. Bye.